i-oktaba kon i-postpone ang gikatakdang December 5, 2022 Barangay ug Sangguniang Elections. Kini ang desisyon sa mayoriya sa membro sa Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms sa ilang committee hearing kaganinang buntag didto sa Kongreso. Sumala ni Representative Maximo Dalok, ang chairperson sa Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms, dunay 38 ka kongresista ang mipasaka og House Bill kun balaod nun nga mihangyo sa Kongreso nga i-postpone ang barangay og SK elections. Usa na niini si Cebu 1st District Representative Rachel Margaret Delmar kay matod niini.
This measure seeks to postpone the December 5, 2022 Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan Elections to December 4, 2023. Section 429, Chapter 8 of the Local Government Code provides that the Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman and members shall hold office for a period of 3 years unless sooner removed for cause, as provided by law, permanently incapacitated, die, or resign from office. The national and local elections have just been concluded this 2022. To conduct barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections this year would definitely add to the present division of the electorates. Another reason is that there would be additional expenditures for the conduct of the said election on the part of the Commission on Elections, the COMELEC. It is of common knowledge that our country has suffered a lot due to the pandemic brought about by COVID-19 and the recently concluded elections. Thus, it is beneficial for the country to defer the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections to December 4, 2023 to allow our country to concentrate on economic programs that could be beneficial to our people.
Ang resolusyon nga i-oktaba ang barangay elections gisuportahan usab ni Pampanga Representative ug kani Presidente Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
I joined 37 other members of Congress who have filed a bill to postpone the barangay elections, and we all have very similar explanatory notes. So I joined them also in their explanations. I just want to add that we only differ, I think, in terms of when the elections will be held. And on my part, my bill provides for, like many others, my bill provides for May 2024. And further, I just want to add that this is not the first time we are postponing barangay elections. It's something that we do every so often when there is a need for it. So therefore, I earnestly request our committee and our colleagues in the plenary to pass this bill. But like Congresswoman Ferrer, since the difference is in when the elections will be held, we will bow to the wishes of the majority of this committee on when.
Mitamong usab si Attorney Eden Chua Pineda, ang presidente sa Liga ng mga Barangay sa Pilipinas. Apan, sumala ni Joyce Garcia, ang chairperson sa Committee on Elections.
As far as the Commission on Election is concerned, we recognize that the power to postpone the election or even to extend the term of office of barangay and SK officials rests solely to the absolute prerogative of Congress. Under the Constitution, under Article 10, Section 8, it specifically provides that the term of office of barangay of local officials shall be 3 years, except barangay officials, which can be provided for by law. We recognize that, and therefore, as far as the issue of postponement is concerned, it is a political question. Kami po sa Commission on Election will just abide by the mandate of Congress and the executive as far as postponing the election is concerned, whether it be May of 2023, December of 2023, wag naman pong 2024, because we are so, by that time, we'll be preparing for the 2025 elections. So it's okay with us even if it is 2023 May or December of 2023. Sa kasalukuyan po, we are now preparing for the December 5, 2022 elections. For the information of the honorable body, we were given, as correctly pointed out by a member of this body earlier, we were given 8.449 billion pesos as the budget for the SK and barangay elections. As of today, we have spent only 800,000 pesos as of out of that money. But in the next few days and month or weeks or months, we will be spending from that money because we will now start with our procurement as well as printing of the ballots. And that is where the urgency lies. Kaya po nakikiusap po kami na sana po ay mabigyan kagad kami ng direction sapagkat magpiprint na po kami ng balota. We will be printing 90 million ballots for the information of the honorable body. 90 million ballots.
Human sa tulo ka oras nga pagdebate sa committee, mao kini ang desisyon.
So, the voting is for those in favor, there are 12 in favor for the postponement and 2 against the motion to postpone the December 5, 2022 synchronized barangay and SK elections to a later date is approved.
Mr. Chair.
Sa akong pagpangutana kang House Deputy Speaker ug Davao City 3rd District Congressman Isidro Ungab, iyang gipahayag.
Sa next meeting o sa next hearing, dito po desisyonan kung Kanus-a ang postponement. Ma-postpone ba 1 year o 2 years o 3 years, depende sa maaprubahan po sa komitiba. So sa pagkakaroon, ang nadesisyonan sa maong komitiba, Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms, na aprubahan o ning-agree ang mga membro nga i-postpone sa botong 12 ang miaprobar na i-postpone ang eleksyon sa barangay. Kini sa committee level sa House of Representatives o after that madesisyonan sa committee, ipasa na pag kini sa plenaryo. Kung di dito sa plenaryo, desisyonan usab ang postponement sa eleksyon. O pagkahuman sa plenaryo, ipasa na sa Senado o dinha ma-agree gyud ang final postponement sa barangay election.
Matod ni Ungab, maghimo pa og usa ka committee hearing og kung modaog gihapon kini, i-postpone na ang eleksyon og dalahon na ang committee resolution didto sa plenaryo og debatehon na usab kini sa mga kongresista hangtod nga makabot na nila ang pinal nga desisyon. Apan, base sa atong nakita sa committee hearing sa Kongreso, tataw na kaayo nga mag-postpone ang barangay ug SK elections kung Kanus-a ug unsa ang insaktong pitsa kini pagahimuon, wala pa'y pinal nga desisyon ang komitiba. Kung atong basihan ng local government code, ang mga barangay officials dili angayang makialyado sa mga politiko tungod kay sila ang gitawag nga mga non-partisan barangay officials. Kung walay gidapigan, apan sa pagtuyok sa panahon, ang mga barangay officials na himong emisaryo sa mga politiko kamao na may hinuoy tig-kamang o tig-control sa boto sa ilahang mga constituents o sa ilahang mga katawhan. Daghan ang nalipay kay mas mulungtad pa ang ilang paglingkod sa posisyon. Pero daghang katawhan ang naguol tungod kay wala sila mauyon sa milingkod karon sa poder sa ilang mga barangay. Ang ngayang hinumduman sa mga botante nga ang mga opisyal nga atong giboto o atong iboto mao kanay magdumala sa renda sa atong panggamhanan ug sila ang atong tingog. Maong kritikal ang matag boto sa mga botante panahon nga adunay eleksyon. Edith Kaduayan, News 10 Philippines. Stay safe!